In 2142, a Weyland-Yutani space probe investigates the wreckage of the USCSS Nostromo, which was destroyed 2 decades prior. The probe collects a large cocoon and departs for a secret research space station. Upon arrival, masked scientists open the cocoon, revealing the xenomorph. Months later at the colony Jackson's star on LV-410, Rain Carradine works and lives with her adoptive brother Andy, a malfunctioning android reprogrammed by Rain's late father. After her original work contract is forcibly extended by Weyland-Yutani, Rain's ex-boyfriend Tyler persuades her to join an expedition with his pregnant sister Kay, their cousin Bjorn, the father of Kay's baby, and Bjorn's adoptive sister Navarro to a derelict spacecraft to retrieve cryostasis chambers that will allow them to escape to the planet Yvaga. Andy's ability to interface with the onboard computer system is crucial for the expedition, but Rain is hesitant to take him along until she is convinced by Tyler and Andy to allow him to assist. They fly the Hauler Corbelan to the spacecraft, which is revealed to be the Renaissance, a Weyland-Yutani research station divided into parts Romulus and Remus, a reference to the Roman legend. While retrieving cryogenic fuel for the stasis chambers, Tyler, Bjorn, and Andy accidentally disable the temperature control, keeping cloned facehuggers inert, triggering a lockdown and unleashing them. To override the lockdown, Rain installs a chip from a damaged android, Rook, into Andy, granting him access to the station while also updating his software. This also changes his prime directive, making him loyal solely to Weyland-Yutani. As the group flees the chamber, a facehugger latches onto Navarro. Rain reactivates Rook, who discloses that the xenomorph captured by the station killed the station's crew. Although Tyler removes the facehugger, Rook warns it may have already implanted its seed. Despite Andy's attempts to stop him, a disgruntled Bjorn flees with Navarro and Kay on the Corbelan. A chestburster emerges from Navarro, killing her. The Corbelan crashes into the Romulus hangar, jeopardizing the station's orbit and leaving less than an hour before it collides with Jackson's planetary rings. Kay is knocked unconscious from the impact, and the chestburster escapes. Kay regains consciousness and runs into Bjorn, who discovers the chestburster gestating into its adult form and attacks it with a stun baton. The xenomorph stabs Bjorn in the eye with its tail, killing him with its acidic blood. Rain and Tyler navigate to the bay while avoiding the facehuggers. Kay escapes the Corbelan but is stalked by the xenomorph, which attempts to lure the others into a trap. Andy refuses to unlock the door so as not to put Rain and Tyler at risk, and they helplessly watch as Kay is critically injured and dragged away. Andy finds samples of the compound Plagiaris prepotens, which Rook refers to as Prometheus fire, which scientists had extracted from the xenomorphs and combined with human DNA to perfect humans. Rook insists the samples must be taken to the colony and prevents the Corbelan from leaving without them. Rain and Tyler arm themselves with rifles to combat the xenomorphs, but Andy warns them not to use them, or else their blood will melt the station's hull, causing an explosive decompression. Rain and Tyler rescue Kay from a cocoon, but Tyler is killed and Andy is incapacitated. Badly injured, Kay injects herself with the compound during their escape. Rain returns to the Romulus to remove Andy's control chip, thus restoring his loyalty to her. Rain disables the ship's gravity, allowing her to shoot the xenomorphs while keeping their blood away from the hull. Rain and Andy make it back to the Corbelan just before the station crashes into the rings, destroying Rook. As Rain and Andy prepare for their trip to Yvaga, Kay, affected by the compound, gives birth to a rapidly growing and mutated human-xenomorph hybrid. It kills Kay and injures Andy, but Rain ejects the creature into Jackson's rings. She places Andy in a chamber and records a log about their hoped-for arrival at Yvaga before entering stasis herself.